Hello guys and welcome to the Wise Ways channel. In today's episode you will watch all kinds of encounters that drivers recorded on dashcam. All clips used in this episode are for educational purposes only.
Driver illegally merged over the lines and almost sideswipes another vehicle. Tailgater tried to filter between lines, almost causing an accident. Animals were in the road, so drivers in both lanes stopped. Unfortunately for truck driver, who didn't have enough time and space to stop. After running a red light, this driver got served by instant justice.
VIA.
Travis said that after he turned off the camera, the SUV driver fled the scene. Red truck driver started getting violent after overtaking the car. Whole situation escalated pretty quickly.
I got a camera, dude. You just pulled into me.
Did you really hit my up, bro?
No.
Like in the parking lot? Yes, you did.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, you did.
I didn't, but you just hit me. I got it on camera.
I didn't mean to do that.
That's all right. You got you on camera. I got you right here, buddy.
Hey,
Yeah.
I did that. I didn't mean to.
Yeah, we got you. Thanks. We'll wait for the cops.
Okay.
Got you.
Driver quickly changed his attitude after spotting a camera. Speeding driver gets caught by the police. Infinity driver almost caused accident several times.
Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to comment down below on which clip you like the most. Also, don't forget to subscribe and like this video.